Hello everyone, I'm Marcelo and I'm here to announce that I launched recently the course UiPath, the complete RPA training course. So RPA, Robotic Process Automation, it's a software technology that makes it easy to build software robots that emulates human actions across digital systems and software. And UiPath is the most popular RPA tool and also, in my opinion, is the best RPA tool in the market. So this course teaches you UiPath from scratch in a practical manner, step by step, by diving first into the core basics and then exploring different automation scenarios and learning also advanced concepts like the UiPath document understanding and the UiPath REFramework. So, for more details, open the course link located in the video description so you can check the course details and curriculum, and also you can enjoy the included coupon code that will give you a discount in the course.